Boom shakalaka. What's going on, everybody? Today, oh yeah, I'm Randall from Crypto Love. And today is Tuesday, June 18th or 19th, 2018. Just looked it up and forgot already. Anyways, taking a look at things today, we have green days in the markets, completely different from my news episode yesterday. But crazy, right? In the news episode yesterday, I said things can't get much cheaper. And then boom, they shoot off. All the FUD goes away. And then all of a sudden, everybody's happy today. That's just what happens. You know, green equals happy, red equals fuddy. Now, before we get into things today, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Daily videos on cryptocurrencies, all that fun stuff. Also, tonight, Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, we have a late night live stream. Not that late night for people here, but people in Europe, it's really late night for them. People in China, it's like super late night. It's morning already. Okay. Also, let's see. Comment on these videos, win a free shirt, and like them. Yeah, cool. So, taking a look at things, everything up today. Gosh, it looks good. Tether's still holding steady at $1. Okay, but Bitcoin's up to 67.78 from right below 6,500. Ethereum up to 536 from just below 500. Everything else is keeping pace as well, just, you know, going up. That's what we like to see. Now, the big winners for today, Tron up 15%, most likely due to speculation about their Independence Day coming up in a few days, so their true mainnet launch. Also, Huobi token and Buybox token are up a bit. The exchange tokens are hot right now. Everybody wants them. Huobi and Buybox token are included as well. And guys, there's actually a website. I think it's like Buybox Calculator or buyboxtoken.com. You can calculate. Right now, you get 20% returns on just holding Buybox tokens. Crazy, but this is not financial advice. Anyways, so taking a look at Bitcoin, look at this. We've broken out of the descending tract. Finally, not going down any longer, broken out of there. And now we're kind of sitting in this longer area right here between 6,500 and 7,000. There's this area where Bitcoin just likes to sit. We're back in that space. We're going to have to see. Oh, that space is behind my head. We're going to have to see if Bitcoin break out through there, because 7,000 is the next big even. Can it break through there? Is it going to get rejected yet again? Will 7,000 not dance with Bitcoin at the middle school dance? But taking a look down here, guys, if you can see, I kind of have to zoom in a little bit so you can see it right down there. If you can see it there. The MACD, we're about to have a MACD crossover where the blue line, the MACD, crosses over the orange line, the signal line. If that happens, I buy back into Bitcoin from Day, which is a stable token like Tether, except it's actually backed by something unlike Tether. Well, anyways, I buy back in from Bitcoin, or from Day to Bitcoin, and then ride that out and whatever. So far, it's been going good. I'm going to publish all this stuff. I've been doing it for about a month right now. So far, it was pretty awesome because I sold at like $9,800 and then buying back in now at whatever we're at, $6,700. So far, it's a win, but I'm doing this, guys, for you. Now, some brief news today because, like I said, we have a late night live stream 5 p.m. today where I will talk with you guys live about anything, any cryptocurrencies you want to find out about. Let me know. Ask me about them because then I'll do some research and I'll be ready for you later tonight. Yeah. But let's take a look at the news today. Investors turn bullish as cryptocurrency market adds 12 billion in 24 hours. All right, so Bitcoin's price rebounded from 6,300 to 6,700, breaking a descending trend line since May 3rd when Bitcoin achieved $10,000. Wow. Boom, that's a long downtrend. Well, we've finally broken that. You see, they think that it could be due to some of the good news that I've been talking about over and over and over again. Institutional investors, banks, regulations, this stuff. Although it sounds like it sucks, it's actually kind of good. This week, Coinbase is preparing to bring third-party institutional custody to the cryptocurrency market and digital assets. There's a lot of investors where custodianship was the final barrier. Over the next year, the market will come to recognize the custodianship problem is solved. This will unlock a big wave of capital. Now, Bitcoin's volatility at a yearly low, signaling bottom. I love this picture. It's like, it's all, what is it? It's all turtles all the way down. Something like that. Bitcoin's volatility now at its lowest level in more than a year, signaling a likely bottom. The subsequent sellout, so the sellout we've seen since $20,000, has wiped out, if not all, of the over-enthusiasm. Now we're back to an unenthusiastic market, or just mildly enthusiastic. Because I say, like, potential bull run in the thing, and everybody's like, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. All of the over-enthusiasm is gone, whereas before we're like, Bitcoin's going to $1 million in 3 days. Nah. Now, in the long term, Baruch maintains significant upside and singled out 10,000 as a crucial line in the sand, going as far as to advise selling against it. Interesting for him. EOS vulnerability. Can't stop talking about EOS now. They just launched their mainnet, but ever since then, a lot of stuff going on with EOS. So, a Cornell professor, Emin Gün-Sirer, who actually just wrote a brand new paper on a new type of consensus that he released at Consensus, which is pretty relevant. He says there's going to be a gigantic EOS hack, a massive exchange hack in the future, which I'm calling it there will be a massive exchange hack within the next year taking advantage of an EOS vulnerability. The exchange will lose its hot wallet. Such an exploit is likely inevitable given the way developers handle safety-critical bugs. So we saw on Saturday the EOS network causes the blockchain to grind to a halt for several hours as the developers scrambled to release a patch. So there was an issue. They had to shut down the whole network. He says you can't incrementally patch your way to correctness. In the same vein, you can't start out with some bricks, beams, and cables over a body of water, patch the holes where the cars fall into the ocean, and end up with a load-bearing bridge. He makes a good point there. We'll have to see with EOS. There has been a lot of FUD with EOS recently. I mean, the price is still holding, I think, around $10, but holy cow. A lot of hate on EOS. It has not been, it's holding almost identical to 1074. There's not been a lot of support for EOS recently. But Square jumps to a record. So, regulators grant payment company Square a license allowing New Yorkers to trade cryptocurrency on the rapidly growing Cash App. Awesome. Shares hit a 52-week high after the announcement, and actually, this was one of the biggest missing pieces in the puzzle, and somewhere, I forgot to highlight it, but basically, here it is. Yeah, the app launched in 2015 is growing at a faster rate than PayPal's Venmo. That's crazy, because most people know about Venmo. Well, people are going to know about Cash App, and then they're going to be able to buy Bitcoin. Hopefully not Bcash. I hope not. Next one and last. This is going to be short because we have the news episode or the live stream coming up later where we can go into everything, talk, and do all this stuff. Poketoshi brings Nintendo's Pokemon onto Bitcoin's Lightning Network. Yes, you heard it right. Video games on Lightning Network. It's happening. Where are we? So, Almeida's Poketoshi uses Lightning Network together with the live streaming video platform Twitch, which allows users to interact with the game via online chat room at the existing Twitch Plays Pokemon series, charging them 10 Satoshis per command. So you can go ahead and play. I guess that's pretty cool. It costs Satoshis to play. I don't know how expensive it would be to play the game. Maybe you should just go buy Nintendo and play it there. But I think that's pretty cool for development of Lightning Network, use of Lightning Network. It's being used. You can run a Nintendo game off of it. Awesome. So, now we have to give away a few shirts. I had a couple videos yesterday. One was the news video. 2 was the iHouse interview video. So, we'll go ahead and give those away. If you guys want to win a shirt, make sure you comment on this video, every other video. Also, let me know what cryptos you want me to look up for the late night live stream tonight. So, 2 will go. Brrr. Number 1. Okay, news video from yesterday. Somebody's going to win. Somebody will win. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but I just got some new beard oil, and it smells like cloves. Delicious. Delicious. It's actually quite interesting to have to be smelling cloves nonstop now that my beard looks so nice, because it was getting kind of fluffy. 136 comments, and the winner of the winner of the comments is Kim Davis. Congratulations. I think our first female winner, unless you're like Korean and your name is Kim and you're male. But I think Kim Davis, I had a feeling you're female, hopefully. Congratulations. Glad to learn something today in cryptocurrency. Had no idea it cost about the current price to mine Bitcoin, you're welcome. And see, the price went up after that. See, you learn something, prices go up, and you win a t-shirt. Congratulations, Kim Davis. The rest of you keep playing. You'll get there eventually. But I will see you guys at 5 p.m. Eastern today, where we have a late night live stream live. We'll hang out. Maybe I'll have a beer. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Love you guys. Have a good one. Peace.